up your loving God. So obey God. Whenever you obey God, so the blessing will find you. You don't have to find for the blessing, but the blessing will come and find for you whenever you build up your loving God in your life. So the second thing is that walking with God. So no matter what you go, what you do, but making sure you're walking with God, so the blessing will be reach up to you. And also the third thing, God will be the God for your center of your love and in your household, so that your love and your household be established in the blessings. So I just briefing the whole message, the whole sermon that the pastor already shared. So thank you. Okay, so now we're going to taught this back in school. So I do believe that you still remember as too. You already learned about how to build up the marriage life together. So I hope that you're going to remember this. But anyway, so when it comes to the marriage life, it's not the easiest like we thought. We have challenges in our path that we will be together. So this is just the beginning for your journey, for your life that you're going to share together. And remember, your house will be firm and your relationship will be firm when you put God first in your life and between your relationship. And just remember this. Your house will be filled with love and with faith and the blessing because you put God in the center of your relationship. So the most important things is, as the couple, as the marriage couple, so love is patient. So you have to remember anything going to happen in your future life, just remember the word say, love is patient. So just be patient and submit to each other and your relationship, and then your house will be staying firm. Otherwise, as the Bible said, when the house is not built upon the rock, or if it's built on the sand, when it's fall, it will be great. So just remember, build your house as you're living in, and your relationship on the Lord, that your relationship and your house will be firm, will fill with blessings and love. Thank you.